Cambly learners. My name is Charlene and I'm a teacher on Cambly. Today we will be learning two confusing words called access and excess. Let's start with the first word, access. Access as a noun can be described as an opportunity or means to approach or leave a place. For our first example sentence, access as a noun, we can say, he took a wrong turn on the access to the bridge. This meaning is a way of entering or leaving. A similar word would be approach. The woman gained access to the building. This meaning is the act of entering or approaching. An example word would be admission. Access as a verb can be described as the approach of entering a place. To use access as a verb in a sentence, we can say, single rooms have private facilities accessed to a balcony. The meaning of this sentence is to reach, use, or enter something. An example word would be gain. Information can be accessed from several files and displayed at the same time. The meaning of the sentence is to obtain or retrieve of computer data or a file. A similar word is obtain. Our second confusing word is excess. To use access as a noun is an amount of something that is more than necessary, permitted, or desirable. He lived a life of excess. This means the behavior that is considered wrong because it goes beyond what is usual, normal, or proper. A similar word is extra. Basketball provided an outline for their excess energy. This means more than is usual, allowed, or needed. A similar word is additional. Access as an adjective can be described as exceeding a prescription or prescribed or desirable amount. To use access as an adjective, for example, trim any excess fat off the meat. This means exceeding a prescribed or desirable amount. A similar word is extra. The full excess fare had to be paid. The meaning of this sentence is required as extra payment. A similar word is spare. For the last part of this lesson, we will distinguish when to use access and excess. To use access in a situation, we can say, the permission, liberty, or ability to enter, approach, or pass to and from a place, to approach or communicate with people or things. Or the freedom or ability to obtain, to make use of something. We can also say it would be the means of entering or approaching someone or something. And lastly, to be able to use, enter, or get near something. When we use access in a situation, would be, for example, the amount or degree by which one thing exceeds another, the state or an instance of surpassing usual, proper, or specified limits. And lastly, more than the usual, proper, or specified amount. So, there you go. This was two of the most common confusing words you can use in your day-to-day life. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native speakers like myself. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere from your phone or computer. Schedule your next meeting with me, Charlene, by using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!